people, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Tayasha. Thank you so much for returning. If you are new, once again, my name is Tayasha. Thank you so much for joining me today. As you can tell by the title, I am still doing my Declutter series. So the next part that I am doing is my lovely closet. This is my hair closet. On the other side over here, this side, it needs to be literally touched up because I have hair stuff in here. I have women's products in here, girl time products. I have wigs in here, makeup in here. I have just a whole lot of stuff that is going on in this closet. So without further ado, we're gonna hop into and get done tonight before the sun goes down. So like I said, without further ado, let's get into cleaning. Oh, so just to let you guys know, this little thing right here, I can't even tell you where I got it from. I don't even remember. It was at an old job and they were getting rid of stuff. I can't even tell you exactly where I got it from. But I'm going to use this to put like my perfumes in here so I can have it sitting neatly in there. I might have to get some more. I do have one underneath my bathroom sink. If all of them cannot fit in here, then I'll put the rest of them in here. The one underneath my bathroom sink literally has all my Bath and Body Works, the body wash, and then it has some question of the day. I do have a question of the day. How do you organize your closets, like your beauty side of the closet? Like, how do you organize it? Like, mine was organized. As I told you guys, I've been here for 5 years. It was organized, but over time you just kind of just push stuff in there. It was, I promise, it was really organized. So I'm just kind of wondering how you guys are going to organize how do you guys organize your closet? I think on the bottom I just sit them there and I just reach for them. It's just convenient, it's comfortable, like that's how it's supposed to flow. So anywho, without further ado, we're gonna get back into cleaning my closet. Let me show you, because I know last time I did not show you guys the top of the closet when I did my other clean. So this is what it looks like. This is what it's looking like right now. Hold on, let me move it in a little bit better. Here's the bottom shelf, just in case. Here's the bottom shelf. Then we move to the second shelf. And then we go to the third shelf. So those are the 3 shelves that I am going to be working on. Smashbox Prime Honey. I love Smashbox. It's something about they makeup, like it just melts my skin. Even like if I'm having a breakout, like it just, I don't know, I just love Smashbox. I don't use it a lot because you know you have that favorite that favorite makeup, you just don't want to use it. You know you can go to the store and get it, but it's just like your favorite. You just kind of want to save it. That's how I feel about Smashbox. Smashbox comes out on special occasions, like hair. As you guys can all tell, I am natural, so I do love Shea Moisture. I also use Head and Shoulders. Somebody hit me on to Head and Shoulders, and kudos to them for hitting me to Head and Shoulders. I appreciate it. Perfume oils. You guys, I love to smell good. Perfume oils, cute little earrings that I need to be rocking. Yeah. So, like, I love to smell good. I think every woman should smell good. You don't have to wear perfume, but I just think every woman, I think every human being, male or female, should smell good. I love when a man smells good. Oh my God, I love when a man is smelling good with good cologne. But I think it's really fly when women are just on their grown woman. Got that grown woman perfume on. What I mean... what, you guys? I think. Dun, dun, dun. I think I'm all done. People, so here is the finished product. Here is the top shelf, the very top shelf I showed you guys. Here is the middle shelf with all my perfumes on there. The little thing in the middle is just for miscellaneous stuff like my face mask, the little foot scrub to get the crust off the bottom of your feet. And then here is the bottom one, which holds my soap and some toilet paper as well as my makeup. So yes, this is the final product of me decluttering my beauty side of the linen closet. So thank you guys so much for watching this all the way through. If you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe and share with everybody that you know. If you are a returning person, I love you and thank you so much. Please make sure you like and put a comment, subscribe as well as share. And if you like this, hit a like, and I will see you in my very next video. Until then, have a good one. Peace.